In this video, I will detail how to enable or disable Samsung voice input on Samsung Galaxy keyboard. So while using the Samsung keyboard on any application that supports it, you can just enable the voice input or turn it off. So this is a quick feature to type merely using your voice on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if I download this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to enable Samsung voice input on the Samsung keyboard, all you just need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, click on general management, then scroll down, click on keyboard settings, that is the Samsung keyboard settings. Then you want to scroll down until you get to voice input, click on that. Now once you selected voice input, you see you have two options available here, the Samsung voice input and Google voice typing. To use Samsung voice input, all you just need to do is click on Samsung voice input, and then you see all the packages you can install here. So that installed offline package. So just make sure you turn on the offline package you want to install and turn off the offline package you want to install. You can also hide offensive word by toggle on this, otherwise leave it as it is. Here in this case, I just enable the English United Kingdom voice input and English United States voice input. Once you're done, come back, and then whenever you are typing on your keyboard and you have the package installed, you'll be able to use the voice input on the keyboard. So you can easily enable Samsung voice input on Samsung phone keyboard. If this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.